our cosmic companion. A familiar face in the night sky. Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars, planets, and a big bright moon. The moon has been Earth's companion for billions of years. It's a familiar sight, a beacon in the darkness. We see it almost every night, casting its silvery glow upon the world. But have you ever stopped to think about what would happen if the moon suddenly vanished? The moon does more than just light up our night sky. It plays a vital role in life on Earth as we know it. From the ocean's tides to the behavior of animals, the moon's influence is far-reaching and profound. What would our world be like without our celestial neighbor? Let's embark on a journey of imagination, exploring the hypothetical scenario of a world without a moon. Hold on tight, as we're about to explore the universe with a sprinkle of what if. This is where science fiction meets reality. Imagining the unthinkable, a moonless Earth. Imagine for a moment, if you will, that the moon simply disappears. Poof! Gone. No more lunar eclipses, no more werewolves howling at the night sky. This isn't about some giant asteroid knocking it out of orbit. No, this is about the moon simply ceasing to exist, as if the universe itself decided to hit the delete button on our celestial companion. What happens next? Well, chaos for one, but not the kind of chaos you might expect. It wouldn't be about cities crumbling or tsunamis wiping out coastlines. This would be a different beast altogether, a slow, creeping chaos that would unravel the delicate balance we often take for granted. The absence of the moon would be a cosmic experiment on a grand scale, one that would reveal just how deeply intertwined our planet is with its celestial dance partner. The night turns dark, the immediate impact of a missing moon. The most immediate change would be the darkness. Without the moon, the night sky would be much darker. Stars would shine more brightly, but the familiar glow of the moon would be gone. This dramatic shift in the night's luminosity wouldn't just make it harder for us to see in the dark. It would also impact nocturnal animals. Imagine owls, bats, and other creatures that rely on the cover of darkness to hunt. With no moonlight to guide them, they'd have to adapt quickly or risk being plunged into an existential crisis. It's a jungle out there, even at night, and the moon's disappearance would be like turning off the lights in the middle of a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek. The absence of the moon's reflected light would create a chain reaction, impacting the delicate balance of the natural world. The ocean's silent rhythm, tides without their conductor. Next, let's talk about tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the tides. High tide, low tide, it's a dance as old as time. But without the moon, the oceans would become much calmer. Tides would still exist, but they'd be much weaker, driven solely by the sun's gravity. Now, this might sound like a good thing at first, no more worrying about coastal flooding during a full moon, right? But it's not that simple. Tides play a crucial role in many ecosystems. They help circulate nutrients, shape coastlines, and even influence ocean currents. Disrupting this delicate dance could have unforeseen consequences for marine life and the overall health of our oceans. The moon's cycle isn't just about light and tides, though. It's a celestial clock that many forms of life on Earth rely on. Think about it. Coral reefs synchronize their spawning with the lunar cycle. Certain types of crabs time their migrations with the tides. Even some plants have adapted to grow in sync with the moon's phases. Without the moon's predictable rhythm, these natural cycles would be thrown into disarray. It's like suddenly changing the time zone on your body clock without the option to adjust. Some species might be able to adapt, but others, especially those with long life cycles, could face serious challenges. The moon's absence would be like removing a vital instrument from an orchestra. The music would continue, but the harmony would be forever altered. But what about us humans? How would we fare in a moonless world? Well, for starters, we might get a lot more sleep. Studies have shown that the lunar cycle can affect human sleep patterns, with people often experiencing poorer sleep quality and shorter sleep duration during a full moon. Without the moon's luminous presence, our nights would be darker, potentially leading to longer and more restful sleep. Of course, this wouldn't be without its downside. Imagine trying to navigate a city at night without streetlights or find your way home on a moonless night in the countryside. The moon's absence would force us to adapt our relationship with darkness, prompting us to rely more on artificial light sources and potentially altering our urban planning and nocturnal activities. The disappearance of the moon wouldn't just affect the obvious things like tides and nighttime illumination. There are subtle, hidden ways the moon influences our planet that we might not even consider until they're gone. For example, the moon plays a role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. This tilt is what gives us our seasons. Without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth's tilt could become unstable, leading to extreme and unpredictable climate change over long periods. Imagine a world where summers are scorching hot and winters are unbearably long and cold. This is just one example of the moon's subtle but vital role in maintaining the stability of our planet's systems. Of course, the likelihood of the moon actually disappearing is astronomically low, but that doesn't mean it's not a valuable thought experiment. Thinking about what would happen if the moon vanished helps us appreciate its importance even more. It reminds us that we are part of a delicate cosmic ballet, where even the seemingly insignificant players have a role to play. By exploring these what-if scenarios, we gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of our universe and the intricate web of life that exists on Earth. It allows us to step outside our everyday perspective and appreciate the wonders of the cosmos from a fresh, awe-inspiring viewpoint. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven together by gravity, light, and the passage of time. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see the moon shining brightly, take a moment to appreciate its presence. It's more than just a pretty face in the sky. It's a vital part of our planet's history, present and future. It's a silent guardian, a celestial timekeeper, and a constant companion on our journey through the cosmos. Let the moon's soft glow serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our universe and the importance of cherishing the delicate balance of life on Earth. And who knows, maybe one day we'll venture out there and set foot on its dusty surface, finally getting to know our celestial neighbor up close and personal. Until then, let's keep looking up at the stars, asking questions and never losing our sense of wonder. Because in the vastness of space, even the seemingly impossible can hold valuable lessons about our place in the universe.